Now you see us here, we're actually adding panel bond. It doesn't say to in the repair procedures, but by adding it, we can't see that it would hurt. It's only going to add strength to it. These are called flow screws. I don't know why they choose to use them, but they're basically just self-tappers. The special tool we don't have, so we're going to go with this, which is just an E-bit, and we're just going to drive it in place. At the factory, I'm sure they'd have a machine driving all of these bolts in. And there was an option to use different screws, but they didn't look like the OEM ones. And we wanted to make this look like it came out the factory, so we're using the original flow screws, but with our makeshift tool. Now we can line up the next panel, clamp it in place, and then drill out the holes for rivets. Unlike the other part of the chassis, which is held together with the screws, this part is held together with rivets. And we've got to do the same procedure as before. Drill out the hole, slide the rivet in, then use the gun to snap it off. And as easy as that, that's the front part of the chassis replaced.
Tony,